I talk about a brand Singer, every one of you would be able to associate with it. Well, for a simple logic that way back, every single household in India way back had a machine at their place, and that was Singer, जिसे हम सिलाई मशीन के नाम से जानते हैं. Well, Singer's come a long way, so long that now they've launched machines that have new technology integrated into it. And when I talk about new technology, lot of it including the AI integration. You know, what is this AI integration, the new technology, and what are these two premium brand machines that we're talking about? We'll tell you all about it right here. Take a look. So these are the two premium global swing products, Faf and Husqvarna Viking, that Singer launched in Indian market. All these three iconic swing brands are part of SVP Worldwide, the US-based world's largest consumer swing machine company. Singer, Viking and Faf together account for approximately 1 in every 3 swing machines sold globally each year. Now, talking about the machines, Husqvarna Viking comes with features such as interactive color, touchscreen for intuitive navigation, and design positioning for perfect placement of large embroideries and internet-enabled updates for continuous performance enhancement. What's more, well, when you're using it, it is also connected to the cloud where you have a data stored and you can access it anytime that you want. This one also has a USB port where you can put in whatever information you want to put in the machine and use it as per your requirement. The Singer SE9185 swing machine comes with the My Unit mobile app as well, which allows for monitoring of designs, receiving updates in progress, and even thread levels. The machine also features 7-inch touchscreen like we told you, and you can connect it with Wi-Fi that allows users to access about 250 built-in stitches, 4 swing fonts, and 7 types of one-step buttonholes. The machine also resumed design in case of power outage. It includes multiple built-in design featuring interesting and new pattern such as bird, tiger, bees, cameras, heels, paws, lipsticks, and lots more. We're talking about the Faf. Yes, it's known as perfect of the craft. This one is specially designed for small spaces featuring 100 stitches, IDT fabric feeding, and the original IDT system integrated dual feed for perfect stitching every time. The electronic home machine offers maximum control and customization for demanding sewers and quilters. Now, the designs that it has are amazing, and already some of them are fed in. So yes, when we talk about swing machines now, it's not just the classic black one that comes to your mind. It's actually turned out to be these smart technology-driven swing machine that actually changed the way the stitching is done. Isn't that amazing?